Hello, I want to tell you a story. It is about a girl named Sophia. Sophia liked to sit in the back of the classroom. She thought, no one will see me here. She felt safe. She felt small. Every day was the same. She walked in, she looked at the front row. There was always one empty chair, but she never took it. One morning, the teacher stopped her. He pointed at the empty chair. He said, "Sit here today." Sophia's heart beat fast. Her face grew red. She wanted to say no, but she walked forward. She sat in the empty chair. At first, it felt strange. The teacher was close. The board was clear. The lesson felt alive. Sophia raised her hand. She asked the question. The teacher smiled. Her classmates listened. She felt brave. Day by day, she sat in the front. She learned more. She spoke more. She grew more. One small choice changed her. She discovered a truth. The empty chair is not scary. It is waiting for you. Now I want to ask you, where is your empty chair? What place are you avoiding? What chance are you afraid to take? Do not hide in the back. Step forward. Sit down. Be seen. Be heard. One day you will look back. You will be glad you moved forward. And you will thank yourself for sitting in the empty chair.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.